This conference will now be recorded.
So we'll go to this 3ds Max software. So we have created the sofa yesterday. Okay. So whenever you are doing this sofa design, look at here. Always it should be straight here. If we'll go to this front view, look at here front view and this left view, and you have to check here. See whether it has come according to the line. So look at here all these lines. So at least it should match till here or it should match till here. Okay. So you have to look at this whether it is straight or not. Okay. You have to check all the views because sometimes it may be you'll have a problem with this. So I'll just some of the people who made this chair like this, which is little straight and which are little crossed. Okay. So you have to keep it in mind. So just I'll just make it. So just check all the angles whether it has come properly or not. So I'll make everything as a one single group, and look at here. This is come little bit inside here. Yeah, the placement if it is not proper. Yeah, look at here. The space is not there for that. See how much ever gap we have given here, that much only we have to give the gap. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just, if you want to do any change of color, you can select it like this, and here we have an option here. Look at here, you can change the color. So we don't want any color changes and all because we have to later we have to add the textures for this models. So that's why. So no need to do the changes of the color. If you want really, you can do the changing of colors till the texturing you cannot wait means. So you can do the color changes here like this. You can do the color changes like this. Okay. So what I will do, I just check it from the top view, all the views, whether it has come properly or not. So you have to take the duplicate copy of this. So I have made one design like this. So if you have to select it like this, you have to go to the top view and select everything. Go to this selection tool. Here we have an option of select object option. So I will go to here. I will select all this object together and control G to make group. Control G I have to press. Okay. So then I'll take a copy of this means shift, and I'm taking like this with the arrow marks. So I'll just rotate it. So whenever you are rotating, just check it here in the timeline window. Look at here, only one direction is moving here. So here we have the direction, Z direction. Okay, only the Z direction. See, you cannot make it like this. By the time all the directions it will move. So we have to move it only in the Z direction. So look at here what happened. So I'll select everything. Sometime grouping is not done properly. So that time we have the problem like this. So what I'll do, I'll select everything. So control G if it is not working. So go to group and there is an option called group. So and give the name sofa itself. You can give the name. So the group name is sofa. So I have taken the copy of this. See now it is taking like this normally. Okay, so like this you can make it. So if you come to the perspective view, the option will be like this. Suppose, see what ma'am is teaching, the same thing also you can, same thing only you can do it. Otherwise what you have to do, suppose you want to make a different kind of sofa. Suppose you want to make this L shape sofa. So that time what you have to do, you have to ungroup this one. You can remove it, this you can remove it, and here this also you can remove it. And I'll go to this top view and look at here. Here you can do the joining of this. And according to this, we have to add one more box for this. So we have to add one more box and circle kind of armrest, you can add it here. So what I will do, I'll try to do that also. Okay, I'll go to this top view, go to the changes of this. So if I have any other box, so the same thing only, I'll take a copy of this. I'll press shift and I will take the copy of this only. So I'll just reduce the size of this. Okay. So I'll press R and how much ever you want. So go to the top view and I'll just reduce the size of this. So here it is. So now if I have to make it like a circle, let me check which option it will work. So for this again, I'll just group and ungroup option is there. I'll select this option, otherwise any of the option, group, ungroup option. In that, select it like this, shift and okay. Otherwise you can make a coffee table, something like that, you can place it here. And here, look at here, the shape will be one box here and one box here, like that also you can do it. Otherwise we can do it like a sphere or cylinder. Suppose if I'll take the cylinder, let me check whether we can do it like this. So I'll go to modify a list and we have an option called slice. So is that possible? Slice option. If I'll use it this also, we cannot make it bend exactly like how I want. So we cannot keep like this shape. Slice means it should come uh, from the inside like this. So which shape we can take it? Let us think about it. All tank, Hedra, capsule. Yes, I can take it with the circle, sphere. Anybody can suggest me what kind of options we can take it for this? Anybody who is tried this option? Tube, we cannot take it. Torus, teapot, cone, geosphere, cylinder. If we'll take it, it will not. If we'll make it half also, it will not come proper shape. If I'll go to extended primitives, hose is there. Spindle or oil tank. Yeah. Anybody having any suggestion? What kind of shapes we can use it for this? So I want a curve kind of shape. Anybody? Chamfer cylinder. Yeah. If I don't want a soft shape. I'll just keep it like this. And here, wherever the slice option is there. So let me check. Yeah, all the slices, it will come like this only. If I'll place that kind of slice, it will not work. I want a slice. I need a cavity inside this shape. So here we're not able to do it with this shape also. So we have to go to the advanced modeling. I'll try with once again this sphere option. So otherwise don't worry anything about this. We have to go to the advanced modeling. So that time we have to use, we can create whatever the shapes we want. So I'll just go to sphere and let me try with the sphere itself. Is that any options it's possible or not? Yeah, even here also we cannot do anything with this sphere also. Yeah, it is not possible. So what we have to do, I have to add the square shape itself. So just go to W and just take the duplicate copy of this, and so just keep OK. So any other options if we'll get, anybody can tell, no problem. So we'll do the changes also. So that time we can do the changes. So like this. Otherwise we can make the wooden tea pie, something like that. We can make it. Okay. So just rotation E, and let me check if I'll give 90 here. Yeah, completely it is coming like this. So whoever not created the design till now, so next class I want from you people the assignments. So living room, complete living room I wanted. Okay, so we are going to finish everything. Okay, so like this we can make it. Again we have to add the cushion for this. Okay, so we have to add the cushion for this. So what we have to do, we have to take the duplicate copy of this, shift, and the same cushion I will add it for this also, and the same thing I'll just group and ungroup it. So later we can togetherly we can ungroup it, group it. Okay, so like this it will come. Let me check some of the reference images, like any changes we have to make it. So I'll go to here. See some of the designs like this. So anybody who wants to do this kind of design also they can do it. Okay, so here look at this box shape only, which is not having legs here. So only this is the shape they have added, and here you can keep coffee cups or any snacks and all. Here so wooden piece we have given. So like this you can do the, you can see it. And here where it is joining the corner stand, a corner place is like this, so you can add the cushion. So even everything is not equal, so all the cushions are very not equal, only these two cushions are equal. So like this is the thing you can make it. So that is also one different kinds of sofa. And here we have this 3D sofa here. And yeah, this is also one different kind of sofa. Anybody can do any different design of sofa. So look at here, this also it is having more smooth, and only the very thin box is here for the support. Okay, so the two pillows are there, so which is adjusted to this. So whenever you are doing the sofa designing, you have to think about what kind of texture you have to give it. Next we are going to learn the texturing, so that time you have to think what kind of textures we have to give it. And leather textures, otherwise we have to use a fabric textures. Those kind of things also you have to check, like before doing the design itself. Okay, so you people know already it is a leather kind of a sofa, this is. Okay, so even this is a different design. Okay, then what else we have? Yeah, only we have, this is the living room. See, living room, what are the things are there in the living room? So TV cabinet, and TV, and all these photo frames, all these things we can do it. So according to this only we have to do the designs. Look at the floor and the floor mat and the teepie, and here also we have the teepie. And so the walls and the showcase, All these things you have to check when you are doing the living room design. So you have to check all these options. Okay, so we don't have any other living room. Yeah, this is a living room with the staircase. Okay, so like this, look at the lightings also. Okay, first we will do one thing. So we will take this, I'll just take a group of this. I'll just make a copy of this. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll go to top view and I will take the complete group of this. I'll select everything and control G. So it is not happening, control G if I'll do it. So I'll go to here group and group. So sofa model. Okay, I'll just name that sofa model. Okay, so I will take a copy of this. I'll just place it inside my living room. So I'll place it inside this living room. So check in all the views whether it is come properly or not. Go to F3 wireframe mode. So the size of the sofa is very big. Look at here, F3. Yeah, so it is very big. So I'll just go to R and I cannot reduce from left and right like that. Okay, I have to reduce all together. Look at here, I'm reducing from left and right, can you see this option which is opened here? You see, which is now it is completely closed. See, this triangle shape is there. So that triangle shape which is come in between of this R. So by the time we can reduce it all together, I'm reducing now. All together I'm reducing. Okay. If you'll make it like this, which is opened here, that means you can stretch it like this. Okay, now I don't want to stretch my sofa. I don't want to do any designs like this. Okay, so what I will do, I will I want to all together, I want to reduce the size of this, means middle. You have to press R, then you have to, R means scale option, and there is a middle, there is an option called triangle option you will getting. So you have to reduce it and you have to increase the size like this. Okay, so all together I have to reduce and increase the size like this. And E option, I want to keep it like this, I can keep like this. You have to take one more copy of this also, we can do it. Okay, I'll just remove this design. Just check it with this option, everything is looking properly or not, how much space I have given. So all these things we have to check with this. So now I want one more copy here. So that time I want to make it two chairs. I have to place it here. Otherwise, I'll just rotate it. Look at here which direction I'm going to rotate. So here in the Z I'm rotating 87%. Then I'll make it 90%. So I'll just keep it like here. W, and here we have an option like this in the top view. Please check this option in the top view, and see there is nothing is there in the wall side. So I can place it like this, and you have to think where you have to place the TV unit. So we can place the TV unit here also, otherwise like how the sofa is there like this, so we can place the TV unit like this also. So I will make it separately everything, so later we can fix the TV unit. Okay, so now if we want to add the chair, suppose we want to add the chair means we have to ungroup it this one, and we have to take separately. Okay, group, ungroup this option, and we have to take this option separately. Only this much area we have to take it, and yeah, everything ungroup it, and we have to take separate chair and all we have to make it. So that time we can use it this option. So I will not do those chair option now itself. Okay, I'll just ungroup, just group it. Let it be like this only. Control Z. Yeah, Control Z. So it is grouped now. Okay, so I'll keep it like this only. So when I'm feeling necessary, so that time only I will use this option. Okay, I have to increase the wall size and all. So according to, so look at here, it is not sitting properly according to the floor. So front view, and look at this design. Yeah, it should come down. So left view, check the left view whether it is working or not. Check the left view. Yeah, some view it will not work, some view it will work. Maybe it is selected other object and all. So check the height of this and this table and this wall. All these things you have to check the height of this. So this is looking very small, and here I want to make it little small means so I can make it. Okay, F3, and I'll just okay. So later, according to the measurements, we will do the designs. So even here also, if this things are grouped already. So what I will do, I'll just want to increase the size of this means. So this part is grouped already. So if I have to increase the size altogether means, so we have this triangle option. So I'll just increase the size of this. Okay. So before it is like this, I'll make it little increase. So once you will increase the size, so what happened? So everything you have to increase the size. Look at here what happened. So it went inside all these options. So I'll press Control, select everything, and I'll take it little up. Okay, so which is inside this table. So I'm taking this to up. Okay, so everybody according to this file itself, you have to make the designs. Okay, so anybody having any doubt, I'll just save this file. Anybody having any doubt? Vrushanki, Aditi, who are not still started this one 3ds Max software, who are not downloaded still. Juveria, Safia, Rushanki, Kulsum, you are not still started this software. I'm not getting any assignment from you people. Anybody can tell?
No, ma'am.
I am going to send it by Monday, ma'am. Okay, Kulsum. Okay, fine. So I want it before Monday. So all the assignments. Okay. So later we can do the changes of this, how much ever the height and all we needed. So we little bit once we will add the floor, so we will get to know. So just group it, everything just group it. So by the time, so we all together we can increase and decrease the size of this. So see front view, left view, any view if we'll take it also, there is a problem. We cannot select all together. So we have to go to always go to the top view. So we have to go to top view always, and we have to select all these things, and here we have to do the changes. So any changes we have to make it. So we have to go to the top view, and we have to increase and decrease the size of this. So look at here how much ever we have to increase it, so we can increase it. Okay, so like this. Okay, so we can place it later also. Suppose we have to make the kitchen here, so that time we need a space for this, so I'll just keep it like this here. So yeah, okay, somewhere doors will come, somewhere the walls will come, so that time we need the changes here. So we have to keep on doing the changes when we are adding one thing. So that time we have to keep on doing the changes with this. In the extended primitive, again we have L extension. So L extension, so like this. Yeah, so right to left, left to right also you can take it. So any kind of extension, any of this different kind of extension you need, it means, so you can take it like this. Okay, so here we have a different option. Side, we need a door for this again, so that time we can make a door like this. So always if we'll take the L extension means it will be easy. So here we have any many modifications like this. So we have many modifications, we can do it for that. So front width, yeah. So suppose we are making the kitchen here means, so we don't want any other option. Front length, okay. Side width, this option, height is okay, front width is okay. Only this is the changes we have to make it. So how much ever distance you want to give it. So suppose we want to place the kitchen here. Small kitchens we have to make it. So I'm doing. So kitchen with the dining area. So top view, we have to do the adjustment of this top view. Always wall width, everything we have to uh, check all, it should be same. See, wall width, height, everything it should be same. Okay, so I'm just taken like this now. So later AutoCAD measurements, according to that we will do the wall measurements and all. Okay, so I have added these designs now. I'll just save this file. Now what I have to do, I have an option that is called stairs. So can you see everybody? There is an option called doors, windows and stairs. So I will go to the stairs option. Okay. So I'll go to the stairs option. So we have to place this staircase. So staircase, suppose we are making two floor building or any single floor building also, we need the staircase always. So here we have no option, straight stair. So, okay. So I'll just make it here. Okay, so this is the stair, like this you have to take. So this is the, these are the default staircase in 3ds max. No need to create everything. So we have directly, we have the straight staircase here. Okay, so this is the option here. See here, standard primitives, extended primitives, in that only, in down here there is an option called stairs. Okay, so here we have an option stairs. See, how much ever width you will give, that much stairs will come. Okay, so if I'll keep it, I'll do it here. So if I'll make a long stair means, so it will come how much ever width, look at here, the staircase will become like this. So how much ever the staircase you want, only that much only the staircase will come. Okay, so in this we have multiple options are there. Again, open staircase, and this is the open staircase and this is a closed one. So open staircase also, nowadays we are doing inside the house interior designing, wooden staircase and all, we have to make a stylish staircase like this. This is the open staircase. Okay, and closed staircase, generally all houses we are making closed staircase itself. Next, this is the box kind of staircase. So box kind of staircase also we are doing. when we are doing the box kind of staircase. So when we have to make the design here, any TV cabinet, so nobody wasting the space here. So when we are doing the staircase here in the down part, so we are making the TV cabinet, any other showcase, any of the things, any of the books rack, all these things we are making here in the box kind of a staircase. So already I have some staircase here. Look at here, this is the wooden staircase, this is the open staircase, this is not closed staircase. So nothing is here down there, all these things are opened here, nothing should be there in the down. Okay, so this is completely with the wooden staircase, and the railings and all we can see it. Okay, so like that. And here we have an option called spiral staircase. So this is the spiral staircase. Again, it is also opened here, it is, which is not closed. Next one, yeah, see, this is also, again, we have this open staircase. So we don't want any closed staircase, we don't have. So here also this is one open staircase. The second one, this is the second one, closed like this it is there. So we have added the different designed railings, so this kind of designs also we can make it. So this is the different kind of a staircase, so twisted kind of a spiral staircase only, this one. So we have this option also. Okay, so then what else? Yeah, this is the staircase which is completely floating. So this is also open staircase. Okay, so nobody, I don't have any reference image which is closed here. And some people, they will make the book rack and TV cabinet, wasting of space here. So they will make it like that. Okay, and yeah. Okay, so I'll go to 3ds Max. So we have the staircase design. Okay, so in the stairs we have four type of staircase are there. One is straight stair, L type stair, U type stair, and spiral staircase. Okay, so these are the four options are available. Okay, so yeah, so in this we have multiple options are there, open and close, any of the things you people can take it, no problem. Okay, so here we have option called strings. Strings in the sense railings you can give it, otherwise any of this one you can give it, otherwise we have the, yeah, handles, railings, on this option. Which side you want it in both the side, left and right, only one side you want, otherwise some people they will not do the railings at all. So like this, where how much ever we want railing according to the path. Okay, all these things. So box shape also you can give the railings, otherwise if you want to give this open, so railings will come. So nowadays it is become fashion that only this kind of a staircase they will give the railings, otherwise here it this kind of open one, so we are not giving the railings for this. Okay, so like that. So this is the staircase. And next one, I will add a design here. Okay, one more option is that, so I have to increase the length of this staircase according to the building. I have to increase the length. And here we have an option called width. So suppose if it is a school, college, mall, or some of the office means, so like the house, how much width I'm giving for the house, only that much, we cannot give the things, railings and all. Okay, so like this. And here overall it is increasing the height and width and thickness of the staircase. Look at here, thickness, this box shapes which is increasing the thickness here. Look at here, how much ever the thickness you want, so which is closed, now this is opened. Okay, so if it is box, no need to give thickness here. If it is the open one, then only this thickness will add. Okay, yeah, thickness. If you want depth, let me check if the depth will be like this. So nobody will do like this kind of staircase. So how much ever thin. So they're making thin staircase, not this much wide kind of staircase nobody will do. So this much thin they will do it. Okay. So this is a thinner staircase and the depth we can add it like this. Okay. So everybody is following right? Anybody having any doubt? So you can give me suggestion, ma'am, like this is the staircase I have seen here like that. Anybody having any suggestion, you can tell me, or any other questions you want to ask me, any other doubts you people have. Okay, I will go to. Okay, just check with all these options. So again, if you come down, so you have multiple options are there. Here we have this. So inside this we have multiple options are there. See, according to this strings and all this parameter offset, how much ever the thickness we have to increase it, radius, whether you want see, suppose how much thick. See, we can make it this one as a steel or iron or a wood, any of the things we can make it as these are the railings. So here we made it with the wood. Okay, so like that we have different kind of steel which is done with the metal, steel with the glass staircase. Okay, so we have multiple kind of staircase are there. See, this is wooden with the glass. Yeah, so which is having different designs of the staircase. So all these are related to the strings, railings and all. And here also, if you click on here, again each and everything, look at here, the depth of the parameter. If you give the box shapes, so then it will not come, it will become like this. When you will make it open, so then you will have a option like this. Okay, open, then you will have this option like how much ever you want the parameter, then it will become as a closed one. Sometime like this, some staircase I saw like this also, they're just giving like this one single wall, they will make it like this. Okay, no need to add the box shape. So box shapes we have to add with the wooden box. We have to make it box shape. We don't want to do it with the cement or any other things. We have to make it with the wooden thing. Okay, wooden interior designing, when we are doing the wooden design, so that time we have to cover up with this part. Okay, so but a wall is necessary always to support. Okay, so we need a support, so that's why we need it. Okay, width also you can increase the thickness of this wall, so we can thickness we can increase it, so then it will become as a wide this thing. So nobody will make it with the, they will not waste it like this, so they will just make a support like this wall, and they will make the wooden designs and all, wooden interior designs they will make it. Okay, just check all these options. So whenever I will finish the class today itself, you people have to check all these options. See, depth of these railings, so depth of these railings, and width of these railings, so all these are this railings parameters, in the sense this is the upper part is the railing, and this is the parameters of the railing. So how much ever the thickness and how much height should have, it should be there from the staircase. So what is the gap between parameters and the staircase? So all this option we can see it here. Yeah, so this is the staircase, so we have to check where we can place this kind of staircase. So which is suitable for our interior design, our model. So that only we have to take. So this is one different kind of staircase. That is the first one. This is a straight staircase. So there's no bending in this, only the single staircase here. Next one is the L type staircase. Okay. So L type staircase, I will just make a box like this, and look at here, L type, like how you seen this L type wall. So I'm taking it to up. Okay. First we have to add, don't go to the top view. In the perspective view only, just make a slant like this, and just make a box like this, and I'll make the designs like this. Okay. So this is one kind of staircase. Okay, it is not become completely staircase. So we have to increase the width and height of this. Look at your width. So I have increased the width. So just you have to add a design. Later you can do the changes of this. Okay. So how much ever width you want, you can add the designs like this. Even how much ever the height. Suppose I want the staircase like this much. Yeah, look at this staircase. Here only two steps are there. I have given the platform here itself. Okay. So any different kind of designs you can add it. So like this, how much ever you want, make it like this box, again L shape. Equally also we can make it. That means here downside we have five stairs. Again in the downside or upper part also we have five staircase. Five steps will be there. Here five steps, and here five steps will be there. So that is the thing, we can do it like this also. So we can make with the L type staircase only, we can make it different changes and all, we can do it. So this design we have to add in the beginning itself. We have to add it in the beginning itself. So here we can only the changes of width and height, all these options we can do the changes. Okay, I'll just go to this modifier lift, and again here we have an option closed one. Okay, so we have this the closed one, and this is the box shape. So this is the box shape. Okay, again if you want to add the strings, we can add it. So length, how much ever the length you want, see, look at here. So you have to increase and decrease the size of this. See, if you'll increase the steps here, here upper part it will decrease. So how much ever standard will be this much only. So how much ever you will increase from the down part, down of the staircase, steps and all, so it is decreasing here. So decreasing the steps, and look at this angle, you can do the changes of angle. So you can make the angle changes, you can make it little slant like this, you can keep it completely, you can keep it like this, or any other changes also you can do it like this. That is up to you, how is your house model. Okay, so like that. And offset, look at here. So suppose you want to make your staircase is going here, and we have to make the railings here, and it is going to continue with the next floor. Okay, some of the designs we have to make it here, some of the designs we have to keep the sofa here, living room we want to make it as a living room. Again we have to add some furniture or some showcase here, means, so we can take the, we can increase this platform like this. Okay, so like that. And the height of the staircase. Okay, so if these options are not working, means we have to add the options from the top view. We have to add this handrail and railing path options, everything we have to add it, then only all other options will work. Okay, so like this we have this staircase. Okay, what is this? LT type staircase. First one, straight staircase. Straight staircase means we don't get the platform in between. So L type staircase means we will get the platform, so we can increase and decrease the size of that. Okay, so like that we have different kind of staircase will be there. Okay, so everybody can understand, right, what is the staircase, where we have to place the staircase, and what are the options are available. Anybody having any doubt? Maria, you have any doubt to add this staircase design?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so with the staircase I want the assignment for next class. Okay, please use all the option here, box type option and this closed option, open option, any options, all the options you have to add it here. So all the options you have to add here for the staircase. So here suppose we are making the living room here, so for that only we can add the staircase like this. So no need to create the wall here again. So already staircase wall is here, so we can make the second floor. With this model only we can create the second floor design. Okay, so according to our house we have to make the we have to take the staircase. Okay, that we will do it later. So next one is we have U type stair and the spiral stair. So U type stair means, so I'll just drag it like this. First you have to make the design like this and you have to take it up. So now I'm taking it to up. So this is one kind of staircase, that is U type staircase. Look at here, mainly in the hospitals, school, colleges, everywhere we are making this kind of staircase design. So everybody seen it, right, this one. So like big houses we can use this, big houses, buildings, and mainly in the hospitals, schools and colleges only we can see this kind of staircase design. Okay, so if it is coming with the box shape, yeah, look at here. So this kind of staircase we are not doing at house nowadays. Very rarely. Some changes and all we have to make it. So directly we cannot use it like this. So hospitals and all you can see this kind of staircase. So again we have to increase the length. We can increase the length and we can increase the length one, length two. So how much ever we need it, width of this, yeah, how much ever width we want, so that much we can increase and decrease the staircase like this. So we need to add the platform, offset, overall height is increasing. So overall height is increased now. So so this option is not working means we have to check other staircase and all, so which is working for only this much. See, depth is now working because, see, look at this depth and all, it is which is working now. So thickness of the staircase, if it is not closed one, so if it is a opened one it will work for that. Okay, so like this again. So these options please try, you people, how much of the depth and this, we have to on these options, then only here the options will work, otherwise it will not work. Look at here, for the support we have to add this option. Yes, for the support. So if it is a opened one, so if it is a open staircase, so that time we need a support for this. So otherwise the staircase cannot float like this. So we need a support. So that time we can use this kind of option, depth and all. Okay. Okay, so like this we can do the changes of this. Okay, so according to this house, what kind of staircase we need, we'll take that staircase. Okay, so I'll go to the selection tool and I'll just select it, how much ever. Okay, so next final one. What is that staircase? It is a spiral staircase. So spiral staircase, everybody know, I think. So this is the spiral staircase. Why we are using? Mainly for to reduce the space. Using this staircase, it will not take much space and all. So we can use this spiral staircase. Okay. So here again we have the option one, closed, open, and see here we can increase the radius, how much ever we want we can increase the radius, and height and all we can make it, and thickness, how much ever the thickness of this we can make it, and the depth, see the depth we cannot give this much, and okay, so before that, before taking itself we have to take it properly. Spiral staircase. Yeah, I'll take it slowly like this. And suppose we have an option here, clockwise, anti-clockwise option is there. See, clockwise, you want to increase or decrease the size like this, we have an option. And depth, we can make it increase and decrease. And anti-clockwise also, we have an option here. Clockwise, before we did the anti-clockwise, now this is a clockwise option. Okay. So thickness of the staircase, and depth here. See, suppose we want the center pole for this. See, suppose we want the center pole means, so this option it will come like this. If it is a box, then it will cover like this, and width. Yeah, look at this width. So exactly it will come as it is. So I'll just increase the width. So it is attaching to this pole. So like this, and if you want to rise it how much ever you want, you can rise it, overall you can rise it, and reverse, so this is reverse like this, and clockwise, anti-clockwise. And if we'll come down, we have an option of all this carriage, railings, all these options also there. And we have the center pole option also. If I click on here, and if you want to increase the center pole, so nowadays nobody is using this option. Center pole, I have not seen somewhere. Okay, so like this, if you want to increase the center pole option, so you can increase how much ever you want, you can increase this size of this. So because it is completely waste, like it is not giving any support mainly, and mainly this kind of railings we are making with this iron things only. So we're not using the cement or so stylish wooden fashionable railings only we are making. Spiral staircase. Okay, any design with that we have to make it means, so this is also spiral staircase, only this much pictures only we are seeing here. So this is also one type spiral staircase only. Okay, so how much ever we need it, only that much design only we are adding. So nobody is using center pole here, so if it is necessary you can give the center pole option, otherwise we can remove it. Where is the center pole option? Yes, opened one like this, open staircase. this much only. So now what we created the model. So for that we have to add the staircase. So where we have to add, we will think about it. So if possible, I will add it here. What kind of staircase we have to add it? So I will check which option which will work for this. I can add L type staircase for this model. So let me check. It's become so big. We can apply this one or not. Let me check. Or I'll just reduce the size. Overall, you have to reduce it means you have to go to this top view and look at this whether you can add this design or not. Otherwise we can do the modification here. So angles, we can do the changes of this angle. Look at here, this is the angle, we can do the changes. Otherwise we can change it like this also. So however we want, we can do the changes of the angle. So otherwise we can take this L type staircase also. Otherwise a single straight staircase also we can use it. Okay. So if you want to make the height how much ever we want, so according to that we have to do the changes of this. Length 1, length 2. So if you want to add more staircase, more height, so like this you can make it. And the offset, yeah, if you have to give the platform we can give it. Otherwise no need to give the platform, means we can add it like this. And here closed one like this. Yeah, box one, nobody will do the box one. So length one, I'll add this one first. Later, whether it is matching or not, so I have to add the TV cabinet and all. So that time I have to do the changes. Otherwise, I can add the straight staircase also. Okay. From here, if I have to make one more floor, means how it will look. We have to check all these options. Okay. So we will think about it later. Anybody having any doubt about this staircase design?
No, ma'am.
Straight staircase also we can add it. Okay, so we have to take some reference of this living room. So any of the living room which is having the staircase. So those options we have to check whether we have this staircase is matching or not. This kind of living room we have. Look at this staircase, what they used. The same staircase only they are using. So, but the angle is changed. So, if I'll go to here, if I want to do the changes of the angle, click on here and angle. Yeah, only this much only it will change. Otherwise, straight it will go like this. For that, we can take the straight staircase only. So, no need to struggle this much. We can add the straight staircase. So again, it should go means again from here we have to take the other staircase, LT type staircase. We have to take it. Okay. I'll keep it like this only. So we will come back according to our designs. Okay. So whether we have to add the staircase or not. Okay. So anybody having any doubt? Okay. So kitchen and all, when we will do the advanced modeling, so that time we have to do the kitchen designs. Okay. So what we will do next, we will go for this staircase. Anybody having any doubt with the staircase? Anybody having any doubt with the staircase? Aditi, Susan, Juveria, Aishwarya Reddy, Rushanki.
No, ma'am.
Yeah. So you have to make a design with the staircase and this coffee table and the sofa. Everything you have to add and you have to make the design. So next we will go for this door and I'll just go to this option. This is the option called doors. So here only when you will go to the standard primitive, extended primitives, and here in the last we have the option called stairs, and here itself we have an option called doors. Okay, so if you click on this door, we have three different options. One is the pivot door and the sliding and the bifold option. Okay, we have three different options are there. So first one is the pivot. See, this is the door. We can use it for the window also. We can use it for the main door also. We can use it for all different kinds of doors. Okay, it is only for the this not a, you can use it for the window also. We can use it as a main wall also, and it is not only for the houses, office and mall, showrooms, anywhere. So all this kind of doors only we are using. Okay, so this interior designing is not limited only for the houses. So this is the pivot door. I'll just make a designs. I will increase the thickness of this. So you have to think where we have to place this door. Okay, this is one door, and whenever I will select this pivot option, so here in the property window we have an option here pivot. What is the height of your door? How much ever the height we want, so how much ever the height we want, and width, so how much ever the width we want. If it is a very thin door, so like this, and depth, how much ever the depth we want, so like this. So that is the door, and whether it is a single door or a double door. Look at here, this is a single door and double door. Before it is a single door, now before it is single door, now it has become a double door. How we will get to know it is a single or double? Because of this line itself we will get to know. And if we come here, there is an option called open. So we can open this door. Look at here. We can open and we can close this door. And we can give the animation also for this. The door is opening. We are entering to the living room. Next, we are entering to the kitchen. So like this. So these are the options. Okay. So double door. If it is a single door, so again we have an option of opening and closing. Okay. So here also we have an option of open and closed option. Okay. So you have to add a door and the staircase and all these options you have to add it. Okay. So this is my door and center frame means we have one frame here, so any designs we have to make it for that frame. So that time we have to add the frame design and depth of this frame, door offset. So door offset means any designs inside this door, the frame will be there. So look at this frame of this door, thickness of the door. So some designs will be there always in the door. So that door designs and all, we can make it door offset. See, yeah, how much space where we have to. This door is starting from this first frame or like this end. Okay. Now this is the option called leaf parameter. This is the option of doors. So here we have the frame of this door, how much thickness is there for the this one. Yeah, parameters of this. And look at this bottom railing. Next class, I will show you people some of the examples of the doors and windows. So by the time you will get to know like what are the different types of doors we have. So why we have to use this kind of parameters. Sometimes we have to give the glass texture for this. Okay. So glass texture, otherwise any other designs we have to make it. So that time we will keep it this much area empty. So that time we have to make the designs like this. Here, this is the railing. Some designs for this panel with the horizontal and panel with the vertical. So this is the thing. So we are adding the glasses inside this glass. We are adding, otherwise wooden frames and all we are adding for this. So this is the thickness of this glass. Look at the thickness. So we cannot make it as a box. Yeah, this look like a box shape. So we can, nobody will do like this thickness and all. Okay, only slightly the thickness will be there. Okay, and how much ever the designs you want, you can add that much itself. Okay, and bottom railings can do it like this, and the panel horizontal. Okay, so this is the thickness inside this. So because if we are adding the glasses here, then the frame will be there. Okay, so let me check if I have that kind of design. So glass frame window. Suppose we have this window. Look at here, we added the glass texture to this, and there is a frame for the glasses. Always there is a frame for the glasses. So here we are not able to see any of the designs. Somewhere with the windows and doors we have the glass pattern. So there we can see the options. Look at this here. This is the railings frame for the glass. Okay, so how much ever you want, you can add those options. That much frame thickness and all you can give it. Look at here, they are asking whether you are giving for a glass kind of a texture you are giving in the future, or any other wooden works we are making for the door, means we have to use the beveled option. So this is a wooden door. So inside this wooden door we cannot add the glass. Wooden with the glass we cannot do it. So we can do it with wooden with the glass also we can do it. So but we have this beveled options. So beveled in the sense you have different kind of designs over here. So some different kind of some more designs we will get. So next class I will show you like what kind of doors we can make it like this. Wood, glass with wooden textures, and the thickness we can add it like this. So you people have to add the doors for whatever the models you people are going to create. So I want from everybody the door, single door, this door, any double door also you can take it, no problem. So wherever you want you can add it. Suppose if you are think it is a main entrance here, so that here the width of the door you can make it, you can increase the width of the door, and you have to place it where exactly, and somewhere for the kitchen or here outside here also you can add the door. Okay, so I have not teach to people the window and all. So window means we have to create the hole here on the wall, so then only we can place the window, so then only possible to place the uh, this one, uh, windows. Okay, so we have to place the door. So what is assignment of few people? You have to create the sofa design, staircase, and the table design, and the door. Okay, so everybody understood, right? Anybody having any doubt?